everyone, my name is Surya Nair and I am from Bombay Cambridge School. Today we are going to do a very interesting topic on HCF and LCM. We have done many sums based on HCF and LCM in classroom. Today we are practically going to do it. So let's start with HCF. When I say HCF, it is the highest common factor of two numbers is the highest possible number that divides both the numbers completely. That is, we require the highest possible number that will divide both the respective numbers completely. The highest common factor, HCF, is also called the greatest common divisor. Now, to find out the highest common factor, we have a very interesting teaching aid which is going to help us to find out that highest common factor. This teaching aid is going to help us to understand HCF and LCM. And in this teaching aid, we have a very big chart with beautiful numbers and very amazing pebbles. This teaching aid is going to help us to find out the HCF of any two numbers. So let's take example like 18 and 36, and with the help of the teaching aid, we are going to find out HCF of 18 and 36. Let's start. To find HCF of 18 and 36, we need the factors of 18 and 36. So let's see 18's factor first. So I am taking few pebbles over here. And the factors of 18 we have to consider. So my dear children, over here we will consider the factors of 18. One is the first factor of 18. So let's keep one pebble on 1. Always remember 1 is the factor of all the numbers. So is 2 a factor of 18? Yes. So I am keeping one pebble over here. Is 3 a factor of 18? Yes. Let's keep one pebble over here. Is 4 a factor of 18? No. So we will not keep any pebble over here. Is 5 a factor of 18? No. Is 6 a factor of 18? Yes. So I am keeping one pebble over here. Is 7 a factor of 18? No. Is 8 a factor of 18? No. Is 9 a factor of 18? Yes. So let's keep one pebble over here. And the next factor of 18 is number 18 itself. So we are done with the factors of 18. We are done with the factors of 18. Now we will consider the factors of 36. Let's start. To consider the factors of 36, again I am considering few beautiful pebbles. Now let's see the factors of 36. 1 is the first factor of any number. So I am keeping one pebble over here. Is 2 a factor of 36? Yes. Is 3 a factor of 36? Yes. Is 4 a factor of 36? Yes. Is 5 a factor of 36? No. So I am not keeping any pebble over here. Is 6 a factor of 36? Yes. So like this, which all numbers are the factors of 36? I'll keep pebbles over there. So that is 9, 12, 18 and our 36. Now let's see in this which all numbers have two pebbles. 1 has two pebbles, 2 has two pebbles, 3, 6, 9, 18 has two pebbles. So the numbers which have two pebbles are our common factors. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the common factors. But we are dealing with the highest common factor. So we will consider the highest number out of it. And the highest number is our number 18. With the help of the teaching aid, we found out that 18 is the HCF of 18 and 36. Now, with the help of the same teaching aid, we are going to understand what is LCM. So let's start with its meaning. So LCM stands for least common multiple, and the least common multiple of two numbers is the lowest possible number that can be divisible by both the numbers. We need to find the lowest possible number over here that can be divisible by both the numbers. Now let's understand LCM with two beautiful examples. We can take any two random numbers. I am taking 2 and 3. So LCM deals with multiples. So I am going to consider the multiples of 2, and for that I am taking again this beautiful pebbles. So over here I want multiples of 2. So let's follow 2's table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. We completed with multiples of 2. Now let's see multiples of 3. To consider the multiples of 3, again I am going to take this beautiful pebbles. Let's follow 3's table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now over here, let's see which number has more pebbles. Number 6, number 12, number 18. So number 6, number 12, number 18 has more pebbles. So they are the common multiple. Over here we are focusing on LCM, that is the lowest number. So out of this 3, 6, 12 and 18, which is the lowest? Yes, 6 is the lowest. So 6 becomes our LCM of 2 and 3. With the help of this teaching aid, we learned how to do HCF and LCM in a very interesting way. And the best part is this teaching aid is very handy. All the materials used are easily available. It is very portable, and last but not the least, students will surely enjoy with this teaching aid. Thank you.